comment, subscribe. Okay, so I don't know if anyone's on here or not, but I want to open this box that I got, and I thought I would just go live because, yeah. So, I have my Boss box. I signed up for this event with bosswomen.org. I signed up for this event, and I completely forgot that they were gonna send this box, and so when it came, I was like, where'd this come from? So let's see what's in it. All right, so let's see. Oh wow, okay. It says, oh hey girl, hey, I believe you've been expecting me. Take a pic and tag us. Cool. So it's probably backwards. Oh, I got the bag. Oh, cool. That's really cute. Let's see if I can get all this out. What's this? Uh-oh, let's see. Oh, I can't get this out. Okay. Really cute. So this talks about vision boards. A boss woman's business balance sheet. So there's a Black Girl Magic Summit on Sunday, August 16th that I signed up for. It's like a virtual summit. And so it's Sunday. Here's what you'll need to bring along. This trusty worksheet, the Fly fold out vision board in your summit box. I think that's this. I think that is this vision board for the established and aspiring businesswoman. I've created a vision board already, but hey, it doesn't hurt to have another one. Maybe this one can be specific to something else. Ooh, 30% off an order of business cards or marketing materials. Ooh, I need that for my music stuff and for my YouTube channel. Receive 20% off your purchase of a Square Reader. I have a Square Reader. This is cool. So cute. Black Girl Magic. Knowing your deepest intention can be your guiding force in the creation of a better life. Continue to live in the beautiful moment and take your dreams and desires to the next level because you own the magic and power. Shine exotically like the diamond you are. You are the change, and we are excited to help you along the way. Boss women! Woohoo! This is cute. I want to open my bag. That's what I'm ready to get into. So let's see. I put this back until time to use it. Oh, let's see. You know, I've gotten so busy that I forgot about this. So I'm going to put all this back in the cute box. And let's see, this bag. Boss Juice, Dream, Do, Flourish. That's really cute. That's too cute. So cute. Okay. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, they put products in here. So cute. Ooh, I like this. What's this? Oh, it's a Capital One little cup. Let's see what it looks like. How do you open it? Oh, that's the little spout for the... So it's a Capital One little cup with a straw. And a reusable straw. So that's good. cool. Let's see, what else is in here? I'll leave that there. Ooh, some products. Let's see, Cream of Nature, pure honey, silicone-free, lightweight shine mist for dry or dehydrated hair. Cool. And let's see, Cream of Nature, aloe and black castor oil, root recharge serum. Conditioning aloe, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin infused. It's pretty cool. Oh, I think I've used this before. Cream of Nature, argan oil, perfect edges, extra firm hold. Products. And what's in here? Ooh, what's this? Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator for dry, dehydrated hair. Ooh, to try that. Let's see. Ooh, and there's one more thing. What is this? A box. If you watched Greenleaf, there was an episode where I think it was the dad or somebody gave the one of the young girls, what's her name? Sophia, a little box, I think it was, and the mom, the Greenleaf mom, she said, I love tiny boxes. I love tiny boxes. Let's see. What is this? Is this a speaker? Capital One. What is this? Looks like a little speaker. Like a little Bluetooth, maybe. Oh, there's a little thing inside of here. Oh. It is like a little Bluetooth speaker. That's cute. Cute. It's by Capital One. This must be sponsored by Capital One because the cup is Capital One and this is Capital One. And then all of these Cream of Nature, so that must be a sponsor too. But it's a little speaker and it has a little charging cord. Wireless, mini wireless speaker. Cool. All right, that's pretty neat. Hey, hey, Ryan J. Opening my little swag bag from Black Girl Magic. Pretty cool. I love little for gifts and stuff. That's sweet. Pretty cool. Well, that's it. This is the bag I got from this event. So the event is on Sunday. It's Black Girl Magic, bosswomen.org. And this was the box I got today. And this was the bag that was in it with all of the things for the event and some goodies. All right, so I'm out of here. Bye. Ooh, how do I get off of here? There it is. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. I love you. Bye.